Emotional intelligence is like the electrical system of our minds. It helps us understand and manage our emotions. It also helps us connect with other people on a deeper level. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Welcome to the fifth episode of the Mind Renovation Series. This episode is called Installing the Wiring. Today we are going to talk about emotional intelligence. If you find this topic interesting, then keep on watching. Just like a house needs proper wiring to function, our minds need emotional intelligence to help us navigate life's ups and downs. Emotional intelligence is like the electrical system of our minds. It helps us understand and manage our emotions. It also helps us connect with other people on a deeper level. Imagine you are living in a house with outdated wiring. What can happen? You can experience a bunch of things like the lights flicker, the appliances malfunction, and the whole system is just unpredictable. This is the same thing with our minds. Without emotional intelligence, we can struggle to understand our own emotions. We can often react impulsively, and that can cause chaos, right? That can cause chaos in our relationships with others and also our lives. Let's say, for example, one day you decide that you don't want to live in a house with outdated wiring anymore, and you say that, okay, I'm going to renovate my home. So now in the renovation process, the first thing you're going to do is to make sure that the wiring, the new wiring connects all the electrical components. So now everything can work perfectly. The lights in the house can work well. All the appliances can function perfectly, and the power can flow smoothly. On the other hand, emotional intelligence helps you regulate your feelings. It helps you express yourself constructively. It also helps you navigate your emotions perfectly. Emotional intelligence can also help you handle challenging situations with resilience. Lastly, it can also help you build healthy relationships. In home renovation, installing the wiring requires planning, precision, and attention to detail to ensure that everything works smoothly. This is the same thing for the mind renovation. Developing emotional intelligence requires practice, reflection, and also learning to respond thoughtfully instead of react impulsively in various situations. So now let me give you a real life example so you can understand better. Let's say you are in the middle of a big argument with a good friend of yours. Instead of reacting angrily or defensively, you can use your emotional intelligence and detach yourself from the situation so you can start seeing things with the other person's eyes, right? So try to understand the other person's perspective and start talking calmly, so you can find a solution that will benefit both parties. All right, beautifuls, you know that I like to pause for a moment to acknowledge you and ask you a question. So, my question for you today is, do you think emotional intelligence can benefit your personal growth or well being? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you are looking for a coach to help you cope with some challenges in life, challenges might be you feel undervalued at work, or you feel like you are getting old, you have body shaming, and you are now an empty nester. Your kids have your kids are grown and they moved out, and you are in the middle of the home. You don't know what to do, where to go from there, and so many other challenges that can prevent you from moving forward. I am a confidence and mindset coach, so click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. From there, we can determine if we are a good fit for each other or if I am the best coach for you. If you are a jewelry lover just like me, click the link of my boutique down below. I am sure that you will find something that fits your needs. And I also want to remind you that we don't sell jewelry only, we have some accessories as well. So if you are already on Poshmark and you prefer to stay and shop there, that's okay. Click my Poshmark link down below to join me there. All right, beautifuls. Now, to conclude this episode, I just want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation Series, episode 5. And today we talk about emotional intelligence. So, emotional intelligence is all about understanding yourself, controlling your emotions, being empathetic. Emotional intelligence is all about recognizing your emotions and also the impact they can have on your behavior or on your relationships with others. So let's get started on installing the wiring of emotional intelligence in our lives. Our minds and our relationships will thank us for it. Thank you so much for watching this little video today. Um, as usual, it was always a pleasure recording it for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends and family. Again, my name is Danoue, always empowering you to unleash your inner sparkle. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.